Okay, good evening po siya po. Sige po lahat po dyan. Welcome na po sa Liga ng mga Titos and Titas. The friendly dub as a Titos and Titas League po tayo. First quarter action po lang po tayo ngayon. The score is 11-8. 11-9 rather at 5:43 remaining first quarter action, and we're now you're watching now the battle for third sa ligang ito. Black shirts on the lead, 11-9. Ibanez, Snoop, it's Dalida, nice hustle play by Dalida. Number 46, 2 points. Number 46, 2 points. Tuloy po tayo mga boss. Ito po tayo ngayon now. Valdez, yung kanyang skipper. Valdez, 6 seconds away sa ilalim. Labas, pero may foul cold. Foul cold. Who's pal rep? Of course, mamaya po lang po at championship match po tayo between Airport United and In-Flights. Mamaya po yun after this game. Ibanez, Valdez for 3. No good. Rebound by Oleya. No, tinira na. Hiniwan na lang ulit sa labas po. Okay, change ulit po tayo at 5:02 remaining. First quarter action, 11 all po tayo. This is your host with you, Arvin G Vlogs. You're watching right now the battle for third between, of course, nandiyan po dyan ang PC21 Boys versus ang CAS po. CAS. Teka lang ha. Okay, good luck po pala po. Airport United and In-Flights po. Mami, bakbakan po yan. Oh, meron. Keeping tradition alive po yun. TMS, Abomba, Outdoor, Layo. Up! Acampo, Olivero, Pops for 3. No good. Rebound, Oleya, no good. Si rebound by number 71. Si kinig pa kay Lokias. Oh, first quarter pala to, pre. Lokias, pass to number 30. And Lokias again for 3. No, wait, 6 seconds away. Nando si Rivera. Lokias again. Nando ilalim. Hindi na ipasa ng di nakuha ng catcher po. And now si Dalida again. Dalida driving strong. Oleya sa ilalim. Palpal. Isa pa tao. Oleya, labas mo na. Mainit daw. Oleya again. Oleya, nando si 71. Mali pinasahan. And to Lokias. What a pass. Lokias. Okay, easy to. No, it's too good. 71. Wala pa rin. Rivera to Oleya, 2 points. Lamang po ang CAS. Lamang ngayon lamang ang CAS. And now si number 21 pops up. No good. Pero talagang kawala talaga kay Lokias ang bola. No? Nice shot by Lokias. And now to Dalida. Wala. The score is 14-13 ha. 14-13. Pops up 21. Running shot is made. It's good. Okay, umatake muli po. 16-13. Tung Rivera again. Number 48. Driving strong. Pops up. No good. Rebound by the black shirts. Black shirts running. And now nandito po tayo. Kick pass kagad. Balik mukli kagad. Hindi mali pinasahan. Go CAS. Sabi ni Isa. Pops up. No good. Wala pa rin si Dalida. Nando si Rivera. Nice interception by Rivera. Rivera pops up. No, it's Dalida. Oleya, 2 points. Oleya, 2 points. And now to Mr. Lokias. Walang pinasahan. Lokias draw his defense to him. Then he'll pass to the open man for the easy 2 shot. Yan ang kanyang motto talaga sa larong ito. And now still, CAS po ngayon, 16-15. Trying to get back the lead. To Rivera. Oleya, pops up. Push! Pasok ang bola kay Oleya. Oleya 2 points. Binababa ang bola na si Vitor. Okay, mag-isa si Rivera. Tapos. Pasok ang bola kay Rivera and a timeout called. Timeout called by, of course, PC21 boys. They're sensing something wrong sa kanilang rotation. They will try to talk this thing out. At 1:42 remaining sa ating ligang ito. You're watching right now, of course. This is your friendly double sa Titos and Titas League, brought to you by the following sponsors: Thread the Needles and Team LBC Harlem Padala, and of course SBB Ara and PSBQ Basketball League. This is now battle for third between first game po tayo, battle for third. PC21 boys versus CAS, and of course for the championship. Yan po yan between Airport United and In-Flights. Pero syempre, dito muna po tayo. Enjoy muna po tayo dito. Maraming salamat po. And balik po tayo sa ating larong ito. Yan. Lokias. Head now to Vitor. 21. Pops up. No good. Rebound by the blue shirts. Casbo. Rivera. 2 points. Rivera 2 points. Again, nandan si Dalida. Dalida. Bang! Nice one by Dalida. Pull up jumper is good. Pintak, kumuko ng pick. 36, ako ng pick. Running shot. Lokias na naman. Pasok ang bola kay Lokias. Sabi ni Lokias, amin pa rin to. Binababa ang bola ngayon ni Olivero. 48, Olivero. Ayun, Dalida, thinking 3, ayaw. Olivero, 2, Rivera, driving shong. Olivero, binabantayan. Oleya. Rivera again. Dalida, pops up. No good. Rebound, foul called. Who's foul rep? Okay, foul number 24. 71 rather by Pintak. Balik muli po ang bola. Still stay with CAS. Olivero pops up for 3. No good. Rebound 21. Vitor, binababa ang bola. Binabantayan. Vitor, nawala ang bola. Dumulas ang bola kay Vitor. Binatong bola. Rivera. No good. One more time, Rivera. Wala pa rin. Rebound battle won by the black shirts. Lokias. Okay. First quarter ended po tayo. First quarter end, the score is 19-23. The score is 19-23. Laman po ng 4 ang team CAS over PC21 boys. Both teams po lumaban po yan po sa nakaraang linggo, but they fall short. Yung CAS po against In-Flights, but they got a good hell of a ball game. And lalo po ang PC21 boys against Airport United na alos umabot pa ng overtime. Maganda yung laban po niya po, but still they will try to win this and try to get the third place o second runner po sa ligang ito. Okay, Jonas Manapal is watching. Chinaraj Valera is watching. Si Sir Isa po nanonood po dyan po. Ito si Dalida. Si Matayas. Dalida. Ano yan? Matayas Hunter. Matayas sa Cheo na naman yun. Bago pangalan mo. Ano pa talaga? Dalito na. Siblings. Siblings pala. Okay. Okay, Dalida. Okay, again, Dalida. Nakalusot. Pops up. Pasok. Lusot. Pasok kay Dalida ang bola. Again now kay Bibas. Then to Mr. 17. Valdez. Nawala ang bola. Blue ball. Nawala ang bola. Blue ball. Olivero. Binababa ang bola. Olivero, number 48. Dalida. Posisyon to Rivera. Driving shong. Ayun kay Dalida. Pops up. Wala. Sandera. Yan, binababang yung bola ni Lucio. Number 2. Number 2, driving shong. Pasok ang bola kay number 2. Number 2, 2 points. 9:03 remaining. Oy, meron ano. Okay. Olea. Uy, sayang. Hindi lumabas. Hindi pumasok. Bibas called for a foul and Olea shooting for the bonus free throws. 2 shots given po para kay Olea. Olea, pasok. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo para kay Mr. Olea, number 0. Pops up. Pasok pareho. 21-27 at 6-point lead advantage to been posted now by Team Cas over PC21 boys. Ibanez, number 22, power move. 2 points Ibanez. Ay, hindi, mali pala. Santera pala. Saavedra. Saavedra, 2 points. And now Rivera. No good. Rebound, Dalida. Dalida, malalim. Nawala ang headband. Number Dalida shooting for 2. 8:21 remaining. 20-27 score po natin. A 4-point lead advantage. Only been posted by Cas. Pops up. Wala. Second shot jumpers ready po tayo for Team Cas. Dalida, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala pareho. Oy! Okay, black ball daw. Sabi ng referee, black ball. 37 called for a foul. Vivas, number 11, inbounding. Pinasa kay number 2. Number 2, binababa ang bola. Number 2, beating down the ball. Driving strong. No good. Rebound by the blue shirts. Rivera, nandun si Ibanez. Nice trailing job Ibanez. Now to Mr. Valdez. Valdez, 6 seconds away. Nope, it's Lucio. 2 points. Sorry, number 2. Counted po yan. Plus bonus free throw. Number 2, bonus free throw coming up. 4-point lead advantage now been posted now by Team Cas. It's out. Olea nag-rebound. Pinasa kay Olivero. Olivero minamang bola. Olivero. And now Rivera. Wala. Missing the mark. And now to Ibanez. Ibanez. Ayun. Valdez. No good. Valdez. Malakas. Rebound. Up si Daisy. Shame ball. Holding foul called. Again, 37 called for the holding foul. Back-to-back fouls po committed by number 37. Go Daddy, sabi ni Jen Miranda. Okay, good. One new comment po tayo. Go Daddy number 2. Daddy number 2, go down. And to Saavedra, 2 points na naman. Nice shot. And to Olivero. 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 Uy. Olivero to Olea. Olea. No good. Dalida. Nawala ang bola kay Dalida. And now Dalida. Bob. Si Daisy called for a foul. Valdez was fouled by Olea. The score right now is 25-27. Lamang pa rin po ang airport. Sorry, ang Cas over PC21 boys. And now 7:01 remaining. Again, Saavedra. Bank shot made. Saavedra back to back to back to back to back. Field goals already been committed by Saavedra. Siya lang ba mismo yatang gumagapang po para sa kanilang team as of now. To Dalida. Dalida. Running siya. Pop sa Olea. Pasok ang bola. Ang talim. Napakatalim na yun. Olea, 2 points again. Balik muli sa kalaman ng Cas. Number 2. And one made. Nice running shot by number 2. Number 2. Shooting for the bonus free throw. Sabi mo ni Vera Miranda, go Daddy. Go Daddy number 2, sabi ni Vera Miranda. Jen Miranda also called Go Daddy number 2. Okay, yan po. Okay, number 2, Daddy number 2, shooting for the bonus free throw. Kapos. Isa pa daw. Sorry, early entry. Early entry. Early entry po. Still, isa pang tira po para sa team PC21 Boys. Isang tira pa daw po sa PC21 Boys. Number 2 again, shooting for the bonus free throw. Pops up. Kapos. Nakuha na ulit ang bola. Oleya. Nako, mali. No, wrong bounce. Now to Bibas. Running shot. Floater shot is good. Lamang na ngayon ng dalawa ang PC21 Boys. 6:15 remaining. Go Daddy Miranda, number 2 for the winner. Oleya, pasok ang bola. 6:01 remaining. Bibas. Valdez, kinapit. Valdez, nakalusot. Wala. Ayun, si number 2 nandun. Miranda, 2 points. Again, lumamang na muli po ang PC21 Boys. .5:34 remaining. Olivero. Dalida. Rivera. Oy, traveling. Nagpumble siya. Traveling violation called on Rivera. Yeah, maasahan po natin yan pagpatakbo ng stand po ng Aviation Friendly League, ha. Makita muna natin po ang yung kombinasyong Rivera lumawag. In and out. Valdez in and out. Nandun si Bibas. Miranda for 3, ayaw. Ibanez, bang! And timeout po tayo. Okay. Ano po tayo? 4:50 remaining. The source 35-31. Laman po ng 4 ang PC21 Boys. Overcast. Balik po tayo. Eto na. Eto na po siya. Okay. De Castro. Of course, nandiyan si Dalida and company po yan. Sabi niya, Go Daddy. Grash. Daddy number 2. 3 points. Dalida up 3 points po. Again, sa po kalamangan. 4:38 remaining. And now, Pitor. Out of bounds called. Out of bounds.
Shot clock 15.
Lucio. Number 10. Ayun! 2 points. Lucio, number 3, 2 points. And si Mr. Rivera. Oy, nasa na kayo? Implights saka Implights. Airport United, where na you? Dito na mi! Lokias, po? Lokias. Panag, binabantayan! Pasok ang bola kay Dark 6. Dalida, 3:52 remaining. Matayas, Dalida, 2 points Dalida. Nice jumper by Dalida. Pintak, 7-1 Pintak. Pinababang bola Pintak at 3:38 remaining. 39-36 naman po ng tatlo ang PC21 Boys. Overcast. Pinta, ayun, Rivera, wala. In and out. Oleya, binabambo ni Oleya. Naku, sayang, hindi na naman pumasok. Hindi naman napasok.
Second personal call.
Oleya, 0, shooting for 2. It's out. Second shot, jumper straight po tayo po Olea. Ole, second throw, jumper straight po tayo. Pasok. It's in. Again. Draw muli po kalamangan. Mr. Pintak 71 dictating the pace. Lokyas scaling the defense. Pintak for 3. Kapos. Nandun si 21. Bitor, pasok ang bola. 41-37. Apat ang kalamangan. 2:53 remaining. Rivera. Binaba ang bola ni Rivera. Olea. Nandun si Olea pa rin. Olea. Rivera pops up. Dalida sa ilalim. Paso ang bola. Nice shot by Rivera. To Dalida. Dalida to Rivera combination. 2:20 remaining. Lokyas for 3. No good. Rebound. Pops up. 2 points. 36, 2 points. Rivera, binabambo ni Rivera. Pop sa Olea. 3 points Olea. Nice shot by Olea. 1:47 remaining. Bitor, driving strong. Loop, ayaw. Bitor, pops up. Paso ang bola kay Bitor. And a timeout called na by Cass. Timeout po daw, Cass. I am the Harbinger. Bakit? Ang nandito na sang putok lang di. Okay, back to the ball game po at 1:38 remaining. 45-42 lamang po ng dalawa ang PC21 boys over Cass. After 1 minute and 38 remaining na po tayo. Okay, sabi po niya ng anak po ni Mr. Miranda, Go Daddy, Sagasa, Crash, Go Daddy number 2. Yan, okay. Sige po. Dalida. Ayun! Out of bounds. Nice guard. Nice hands by Lokyas. At minute at 24 remaining. 45-42. Valera. Nawala. Swiped away. Foul called. Pintak called for the foul. Rivera for the inbound. Yan po yung partnering crime po ni Locnielo. Lumawag. Okay, now to ang pagpapasok po si Mr. De Castro. To Rivera again. Rivera. Mr. Lipit is watching. Dalida. Olea. Hindi na handa si Olea. Sayang. Binatong bola. Lokyas. Nako, 3 points. No good. Down doon. 2 points. Wala tumama. Hindi tumama sa backboard. Okay, binababa ngayon ni Rivera. 45-42. Umalago na lang po yung kalamangan po ng PC21 boys. Olea. 2 points Olea. Nice cut. 39 seconds remaining. Si Bitor nagmamadali. Bitor. In and out. Rebound. Dalida to again. Dalida. Pops up. Rivera. Wala. Ayun. Lokyas. 2 points Lokyas. 11 seconds remaining. 49-44. 5. Dalida. Foul called. O, sabi nito, may sabi, Chris Rital, go Daddy Harold. Okay. Go Daddy Harold. Sino man? Go Daddy, go Daddy, go Daddy, go. Pops up, Dalida, Persian is good. Second row, jumpers ready po tayo. Mamaya po ha, bakbakan po tayo. Aviation, friendly, nope, mali pa. Masyadong advance ang isip natin. Bakbakan po mamaya po ha. Airport United, before, against, ayun, wala na. Bilis boss, dito tayo. Tayo pa sa pupunta. Okay, balik muli po tayo ngayon. Okay, game reset po tayo. 41-46. Lamang po ang PC21 boys. Ha? PC21 boys. Lamang po yan. Okay, 49-46 Valdez. Bitor, the wrecking crew. Loquias, long bomb, no good. Rebound won by. Nandun si Ibanez, hindi handa. Nandun si Loquias din, hindi rin handa. 9:35 remaining, 49-46. And also next season pala po, inibitan ko po kaya, new blood, new battles po tayo. New blood, new battles, ha? Aviation Friendly dubbed as the Flying League. After 1 month, May 2026. May 2026, magsisimula po ang bakbakan ng mga lumilipad. Aviation Friendly dubbed as the Flying League po tayo. And binabanatan po ngayon, number 21, Bitor, and to number 2, Miranda. Nando si Olivero, wrong pass again. Olivero, zigzagging its way, swipe away by Valdez. Hoy! Again, Olivero called for a foul. 8:50 remaining. Scott is watching now. And also next season po na po, preview po tayo. New teams, expansion team na naman tayo. I think they'll go for 12 teams in total. And Oryx also, meron pong revamp na nangyari sa Oryx team. Yan, may revamp po nangyari po sa Oryx team. Yan ang mga insights po sa nasasagap natin ngayon. Oleya, nando si Loquias. Loquias, binababa ang bola. Loquias, kinaliwa, kinanan, hindi pumasok. Nando si Miranda, wala pa rin. And now to Mr. Rivera. Dalida, pasok ang bola kay Dalida, 2 points. And to Loquias, Zuko, Jolens, wala po. Nando si Miranda swiping it away, this ball away. And to Valdez, running shot, pasok ang bola. Pasok ang bola. And of course, inaanyo ko pala po kayo after this game po, yung mga mas maganda po, yung participants po ng Airport United and in flights, pumunta po kayo dito. Witness also the awardee ceremonies po sa ating po Mythical 5 ng ligang ito. Okay? Anong kwarta na, Scott? Kakasimula pa lang. 7:23 minutes, third quarter pa lang po tayo. 51-48 ang score po natin. Aidan Ruizu, ang kwarta na boss. Third quarter pa lang po, sir. Pops up. No good. Binato. Loquias, Jolens. 2 points. Timeout, Cas. Okay, ito new blood, new battles awaits. Abangan, May 2026. Ang pababalik po ng Liga ng mga Lumilipad. Aviation Friendly League, dubbed as the Flying League. You're watching now, what is you're watching right now, my friend? You're watching the battle for third between, of course, PC21 Boys and CAS. The score is 55-48 naman po ng ito ang CAS. 7:10 remaining, third quarter action on the way. Ongoing po tayo, third quarter action. Okay, Olivero, binababa ang ball ni Olivero, pops up for 3. Bang! From downtown, 3 points. 55-51 apat, Valdez number 6. Bitor, pops up. No good. Nilabas. Bitor na naman. Wala. Bitor muli. Wala pa rin. And one play, Bitor. Iyan, tara. Tulong mo ako dito. Hindi, tutulong kita. Hindi, anak leto, ikaw na lang. No good! Okay, nandito po sa atin po si Sir Anacleto, sir. Good afternoon po sir. Sir, salita ka lang. Good afternoon, salita ka.
Good afternoon.
Okay, Anacleto, bigyan mo ako ng preview naman sa ating yung in-flight this coming season. Palapat na kasi yung aviation friendly dapat sa Flying League. Anong maasahan namin sa sa in-flight show, sir?
Medyo tumanda kami sir, mga bata na rin. Hindi naman kasi nalipat eh.
Oo.
Si Di Macali, si Bustos, saka si...
Nag-ano na.
Lipat. Hindi namin alam.
Pero nandun pa namin like the likes of Mungkal and of course, sina Olea. Nandun din sa inyo.
Ewan ko lang si Fred maglalaro sa amin, baka sa
Kas na, talaga na. Ay, kasi may rebound pala. Nagkaroon ng rebound din pala.
Ang bumalik, si Hirwa, saka yung Peruvian na malaki.
Oh, meron yun.
Si Grab.
Oh,
Ewan ko lang kung
yung matangkad yun, mayroon din yung diba, yung taga dito.
Hindi ko lang alam kung...
Yun. Yung rebounder nyo.
Ewan ko lang kung makakalaro kasi nandun sila yun.
Sige. Ayun pala, ang malam mo talaga, may yung si very different Pero nandun pa rin si Kim Kiminales, babalik yun. Si Kiminales.
Wala pa akong balita kay Sir Rob kasi nagpapahinga.
Papahinga talaga. And how about si naman, si Mr. Of course, si Pareño, the perimeter king nyo.
Si Pareño, Mungkal,
Yan ang yung
Ariola, yung point guard.
Ayan, yung point guard. Yan ang Ayan,
yung nawala si Di Macali, si Bustos, saka si...
I think we'll seeing a very different aviation friendly league ngayon. Kasi ang daming expansion team dito tayo, di ba? They've gone for 12 teams in total. Talagang
Marami-raming laro.
Talaga the more the merrier talaga tayo. In happy league talaga tayo ngayon talaga.
Marami-raming laro to.
Oh, talagang talaga. O siya, mga si Anacleto, yan po si Anacleto. Giving us ang inset po ng kanilang in-price this coming season. And good luck pala po sa isa. Championship po, mami, ha? Bakbakan po yan. Opo. Thank you sa Anacleto. Thank you very much po. God bless po sa iyo. And mami po yan po, ha? Bakbakan po tayo, ha? Bakbakan malulupit. Airport United versus, ayan po natin yan. Yan po ang team in-flights. Pasok ang bola naman kay Miranda ang bola. Miranda, 2 points. Olea, pops up, no good. Dalida, rebound. Pedro shot, wala pa rin. Dalida naman, Olea sa ilalim. Olea, wala pa rin. I think fatigue is now setting in para sa Team Cas. Medyo kasi yung running shot, Vitor, 2 points. And time out call by Team Cas. Sir Philip. Okay. Voice over lang po tayo. Sir Philip ngayon po, voice over lang. Voice over lang. Okay sir, I believe so na alam po natin po yung aviation friendly quiz pabalik na po. By next month po sir. What to expect na po sa this coming aviation friendly po? This coming season po natin. I think there are too much expansion teams ngayon. Nanganak na naman yung mga teams yung dati, di ba?
Ano pa rin sir, same pa rin yung mga teams, may mga nadagdag na mga
expansion
bago.
nga,
Expansion lang tayo sir.
Tsaka iba dyan, mga na-revamp yata, talagang nagbago ng lineup talaga, narinig ko rin.
Yes sir, ganun po.
Kaya we're expecting a very exciting league talaga tayo, this coming aviation friendly league po talaga.
Sana makabuo tayo ng 12 teams para mas maraming games, mas ulit yung natin, yung league natin.
Opo, yun pa dyan talaga, pero still, good luck din po sa sa naglalaro ngayon, sa team nyo rin po pala. Thank you po Sir Philip po, yan po si Commissioner po, mabuhay po kay Sir Philip. Okay, magtuloy po tayo at 4:12 remaining, 65-54, laman po na isa na po ang Cas over, ang PC20 boys over, Cas, Olea, wala pa rin. Amazing the mark pa rin Sil. 0 out of 3 this third quarter na po sa Olea. Nandun ako muli yung Olea ang bola, Olea. Against Vitor, Olea, pops up, 2 points Olea. Man. Lokias, ayun si Dalida naman, foul called. Dalida was fouled by by Ibanez, 3:26 remaining. Third quarter action now, patapos na po, 65-56. Nasa na po kayo, in-flights at Airport United, where na you? Dito na mi. Olivero. Ayan, Dalida, nando si Valdez, ang haba ng galamay. Loquias, running, naku hindi. Nando si Ibanez, number 36, Jolen sana, hindi po. Binatukan ng bola kay Dalida, the sniper. Dalida na naman, no good. Vitor, nagmamadali. Vitor, pops up. Pasok. Binatong bola. Oleya. 67-56, 11 kalamangan, 2:35 remaining. Oleya. No good. Rebound. Vitor na naman naka-rebound si Vitor. Vitor rebounding. Vitor. Biloria. Malakas ang dukot. Touch last. Substitution made po tayo yun. Okay, Vitor, labas muna para sa fourth quarter. Ito si Eric Grama. Idol. Good luck, pre. Ito, dito nga. Eric Grama, good evening sir. Sige, salita ka dito. Voice over tayo. Si Eric Grama, this coming, I think bilin so, meron kayong Airport United, di ba? This coming next season. Ngayon, I think so, nagkaroon yata ng rebound din sa team ninyo. Dahil nabalita na, may mga nawala sa inyo, di ba?
Hindi mo kami ng iskat, eh.
Ganun ba?
Hindi mo kami ng iskat, puta. Malaki offer ng Nadera.
Pero anong pamalit, parang, how you do foresee this thing now to dahil alam natin, kayo po ang second personal Black Rod season. Paano siya sino may bagong mukha kayo makikita sa Airport United, sir?
Wala, pareho pa rin. Basta ang goal namin, talunin si Iskat. Char lang.
Loquias. Bibas. Binomba. Pasok ang bola kay Bibas. O, sige, sir. Thank you po, sir. Good luck pala po, mami, sir, ha? Si pala, maglalaro. Salud. Maglalaro. Kilay. Olivero. Double team. Wala ang bola kay Olivero. Double team. Sinundan siya ng dalawang anino. Olivero. Sabi niya, Vera Miranda, go Daddy PC21, number 2. Sabi po niya, Nina Miranda, all fours, go Daddy Miranda. Daddy Miranda, go. Valdez. Ayun, 36, out of bounds.
Same ball tayo.
Oh, sabi na siyempre, same ball daw. Sabi referee, same ball. 30 seconds remaining, 7-1-58. A 13-point advantage, imposed now by PC21 boys. 11, Bibas. Ayun, wala. Binato. Matayas. Okay, touchdown, Rivera, touchdown. 7-1-60. 11-point advantage. Valdez, hindi po mo, no foul. Again, Rivera, naku, sayang, out of bounds, out of time. Okay, fourth quarter action na po tayo yun. This is your dog-friendly dub sa Titos and Titas League. You're watching right now our main sponsors first, Thread and Needles and Team LBC, Hari ng Padala. And of course, SPB Ara and PSBQ Basketball League. Battle for third po tayo between both two teams, PC21 Boys and CAS. And afterwards po tayo po is a championships between Airport United and Inflights. Pero pansamantala po dyan po, bago tayo mag-championship, ito na po tapusin po natin between CAS and PC21 Boys. And after this po lang po tayo, after this, meron pong awarding ceremonies po sa basa nanalo po dito. At the same time, mythical po tayo, mythical. Yung mythical lineup po natin po, marireveal din po. De Castro, Olivero, 9:58 remaining. Dalida. Olivero, Dalida for 3. Pops up. No good. Rebound, Vitor. Valdez, binabambol ni Valdez, number 6. Valdez. Ibanez. Uy! Gloria. Nadikit. Ayan na, dun. Ang full force sila, pare-pareho ah. Okay, Rivera, 9-18 remain, 7-16. Again, pops up, 48, ayaw. Ayun sa ilalim. Dalida, pops up, bang! 2 points. Sabi ni Aiden Reese, go CAS. Adrian Delete sabi, go CAS daw, go CAS. Gloria, no good, rebound, the blue shirts. Binato agad, Batay Sander naman. Ayan, Rivera, dukot, kapos. Nakapus. Kapus. Gloria, Valdez. Gloria. Oy, 3-second violation. Substitution made po tayo ngayon. Substitution made po tayo. 8:30 remaining, 7-1-62. Okay, banatan po kagad yan. Sige po. Inbound din po ang CAS. CAS for the inbound. Olivero, 48. Driving Syong. Huy! Sayang. Dalita. Foul! Sayang ng Jolin si Olivero. Ang ganda nun sana. Okay, inbound din muli po pa rin po ang CAS. 7-62 lamang po na siyam na lang ang PC21 Boys. Olea, bang! 7 na lang, 7, 8, 8. Ibanez, binababa ang bola, Ibanez, 7 na lang, yan! Balik pa rin po tayo, De Castro, number 8. Inbounding to Olivero. They will try to trim down the to 5 points. Rivera for 3. No good. Rebound Valdez. Vitor. Nagmamadali na naman si Vitor. Vitor. Driving show. Ibanez. Challenging the defense. Batukagat kay Dalida. Nandun si Miranda. Nice interception. Miranda driving show. Foul. 7:24 remaining. 7:24 remaining sa ligang ito, sa battle for third. Still lamang pa rin po ang PC21 Boys over CAS. Pero malalaman po natin yan if Miranda first shot, pasok. Miranda second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Basket made. Okay, siyam na naman po kalamangan. 7:22 lang. Mahaba pa yan. Sabi ni Be Miranda, go daddy. Miranda. Hoy. Dalida. Olea. Pops up. No good. Binatong bola, binatongan bola, Loquias. Loquias, nice one, go Loquias. Loquias, 2 points. Again, 11 na naman kalamangan. 6:55 remaining. Rivera for 3. Dang! Walo. Rivera 3 points. Walo. 6:44 remaining. Ibanez. 6:34 remaining. Miranda. Loquias. Nakalusot. Loquias. Ayun. Nice interception. Sana. 8 seconds to shoot po tayo yun. Ilalim, malalim. Valdez for 3. Pasok ang bola kay Valdez. 3 points. Valdez, 3 points. Binababa ang bola ngayon. Binababa ang bola. Babayin po ang bola. Sige po. De Castro. De Castro. Muntik malakawan. Rivera. Driving song. Ole sa ilalim. Foul. Nice dish of pass. Drawing the defense kay Rivera. Dish of pass ka. Last minute para kay Olea. Giving that chance of opportunity to for the field goal. Pops up Olea. Pasok. Second shot Olea. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo para kay Olea. Pops up. Nope. 8. 8 sana. 10 sa ngayon. 10. Bitor. Ayun. Pops up. Lakyas. No good. Matayas. 2 points. 8. 8.8. 5.39. Mahaba pa yan. Sige. Para sa Cavs. Mahaba pa yan. And for the piece turn ball, they have to maintain the lead. Bitor. Easy 2 shot by Bitor. Rivera, number 16. Pops up. No good. And same ball. Sabi na pa referee, same ball daw. Same ball, same ball. Olivero. Ayun, nice swipe. And Loquias, mag-isa. Okay, 2 points. 11 na naman, nakarecover sila kagad. Rivera. Binababa ang bola ni Rivera. 4:47 remaining. Rivera against Loquias. Rivera. Olivero, wala pa rin. Foul call. Al-Indin is watching. Contreras. Voice over lang. Wala. Voice over lang, uy. Takot. Olivero pops up. Pasok. Okay, 10 na naman. Valdez, number 6 Valdez, binababa ang bola. Valdez, number 6 Valdez. 21. Bitor, kick pass, Loquias. Nice pass. Miranda, 2 points. Nando si Ibanez, Loquias, kumat. Behind pass. Valdez. Nope, it's Miranda. Ibanez, 4:06 remaining. Valdez, Miranda. Ibanez, Bitor, turnaround shot, pasok. Turnaround shot, 2 points. Bitor, 2 points. Foul. Batayas. 3-second violation, Olea. Oh, teka lang. Lucio in, Miranda out. Okay, Valdez for the inbound. Loquias, 3 points Loquias. 3 points Loquias. Olea, naipit, pop sa Olea. No good. Jen Miranda. Yes. Ayun, Lucio 2 points. At pumutakdan tuloy po ang PC21 boys overcast. Pagod na rin kasi ang cast. Loquias! Save! Olea, no good. Malakas. Vitor, binababa ang bola. Billy Shen is watching. Loquias 2 points. 2:13 remaining, 93-72. Huge lead blowout na po para sa PC21 boys. 21 point lead advantage. Nakuha pa rin and same ball. PC21 boys call for the timeout. Last 2 minutes, eksakto po tayo at 21 point lead advantage. Been posted by PC21 boys overcast. Si Bigakain. Rivera pops up. No good. Okay, 1:56 remaining. Pintak. Pops up. No good. Vitor. Lucio Kapos. Dalida, touchdown, 2 points. A minute and 32 remaining. 1:25 remaining. Vitor, easy 2. Pasok ang bola kay Vitor. Dalida. De Castro. Pops up. No good. Malakas. Two points. Pintak. I think that will be it. Okay. De Castro 3 points. I think concede already. 20-point lead advantage. Congratulations and winner, third place, PC21 boys. Maraming salamat po. Okay, outro na tayo. You have just watched now Battle for Third, won by PC21 boys with the final score 97-77. Maraming salamat po and sabi po tayo po mamaya po sa championship between Airport United and the In-Flights. Thank you very much po. God bless po sa ating lahat.